Hello, YouTube. Good morning, kinda. It is 11 o'clock. I was supposed to go on a run today on a 10-miler, and I am not doing that because I woke up feeling so sick and congested and just really, really fatigued. So I'm going to rest today. It's also raining outside. Like, it's not meant to be. I'm not going to go on a run today. So today I'm going to make a juice because my boyfriend is also sick, and I feel like I want to make him like a really healthy little juice because my roommate got a Vitamix. So my roommate getting a Vitamix is maybe the best thing that's ever happened to me because I feel like I now have a Vitamix because I'm allowed to use her Vitamix. So I pretty much got a Vitamix. It's a great day. And she made this green juice, and it made me think, oh shit, I bet I could make something like that too. Granted, this green juice looks disgusting. Let me just show you. Shout out to Jess for making the nastiest looking juice of all time. Ugh. Anyway, I'm gonna make something. I mean, she's literally such a healthy person that I think that probably looks appetizing to her. She's like, time to drink my sludge. But I am not like that. Things have to taste good, in my opinion. So, I'm gonna make a juice, and I got a bunch of stuff at the store, and I'm gonna show you what I'm making, because, you know, why not? And look at the, oh girl, look at this little doggy. Girl, look at my dog. Look at how cute she is. First, get yourself the cutest fluffy dog. Look at your love you. Thank you. Gross. Okay. Okay, so I have cucumber. I don't know how to do this so you guys can actually see. Oh, here we go. Great. So I have, we'll do this. I have cucumber, turmeric root, a lot of it, pineapple, pre-sliced because I'm lazy, apple, ginger, and celery sticks, also pre-sliced because I am lazy. So I'm gonna grab the Vitamix, wherever it might be. I haven't actually seen it. Hopefully it's in here somewhere. Oh, cool. So before blending, you want to prepare your stuff a little bit because while a Vitamix is like magical and can blend up the least blendable things, I still want to give it a break because it's my roommate, so I don't want to like destroy it. Also, just a disclaimer, I have never done this before. Like, I've never made green juice on my own, ever. So take this advice with a grain of salt. So you do not have to peel the turmeric or the ginger. You can just throw it in there. The apple you generally want to cut up a little bit. Cucumber we're going to slice. Celery we're going to cut in half. And the pineapple is ready and good to go. Boop. I'm going to do half the ginger to start because I don't want it to be like too strong and then you can't really go backwards from there. And half the turmeric. So we'll see how that is. Core the apple. You just cut it into quarters and then cut out the middle. I'm like so inspired by this Vitamix in my life. It's just fun. It's like fun to get something new, like a new toy, and then experiment with it. But I always think about how my mom used to have a juicer when I was a little kid that just sat in the cabinet. And I would always wonder, what is that thing for? And when she finally told me, I was like, you've literally never used it. Like, you've never used this juicer once. And then all of a sudden, I think I like inspired her juicing habit. She started juicing more, and then she would force us to drink juice, to drink like literally beet juice, straight up, as a kid, like beet juice. No, it was awful. Long story short, if your mom has a blender or something that she's not using, don't tell her because she's gonna force you to drink beet juice. Gross. And now my sister hates beets. I like personally love beets. I got over it. I was able to overcome, but my sister hates beets and we're like, I wonder why. That's the kind of mom that I had, though. I had like a mom who would just feed us like the most healthy stuff ever. And it was awesome now because I'm like, oh my gosh, I had like such a healthy little childhood. But at the time I was like, where are my Oreos? Like, where is the sugary cereal? I don't want to eat Panda Puffs every day. I want to eat Fruit Loops, you know? I want to be a kid. Cool, so apple's in there. I'm gonna do half the apple for right now also. So it's only half an apple, 2 celery stalks, 1 full cucumber, and I'm gonna put like 5 slices of pineapple in here because the pineapple is the delicious sweet juice that is gonna hold this whole thing together. If there's not enough pineapple, it's gonna be gross. Okay, now we blend it. Ooh, don't forget to put water in. If you forget to put water in, this has nothing to like work against. I think that's like half a cup of water. Half a cup, 1 cup of water, whatever you want to do. Then we blend it. Set your Vitamix to setting number 1. And then you press start. Oh, turn your Vitamix on. This is just like, I've never used this before. Ready? Oh, it's blending. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You guys have the first look. It's looking gross. Let's turn it up. Let's take a gander. Ooh. Taste test. That's great. Delicious. It needs to be a little sweeter and a little stronger. So I'm going to put the rest of the ginger and turmeric in here. 1 more apple, a little bit more pineapple. And keep on blending. I think I put in a little bit too much water, so maybe cool it on the water. That sounded good. Take a peek. Good, delicious. Again, it's not very strong. I'm gonna put in more pineapple. Maybe I'm making like multiple servings right now. More pineapple and heck, more ginger, because this is supposed to make me feel better. And my boyfriend. I'm gonna have some too. Oh my God, Melvin just farted. You're gross, Melly. Okay. Blend it up. This is fun. This is also really easy. If you ever like blended something, you have to cut up a million times. It's just the worst. Vitamix, hit me up. Let's do a sponsored program together. Can I have one? Can I just have one? Sounds pretty good. It's good. A little too gingery now. More apple, more pineapple. And blend it up. Oh my gosh, the juice got hot. The rumors are true. Did you know you can make soup in here? Is that crazy? You just blend it until it gets hot. Okay, it's perfect. It's just spicy enough to make it feel like it's making you better, but not too spicy to where you're like burping up ginger later. So I just have to find something to transport this in. I saw these at IKEA and I knew that one day I was gonna want to put something inside it. So I just went for it. And now here we are. Believe in your dreams. Alrighty, so now I've got this awesome juice. Grab your roommate's funnel, put it in a bottle. Boom. My roommate has all kinds of nifty stuff. Thankful for you, Jess. So thankful for you. And look at that. We've got a lot of juice. So I'm gonna drop this off at his place, say hello, get out of there as fast as possible so I don't get more sick from him, and then drink my own as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more recipes like this, let me know. Otherwise, I'm back to training once I'm feeling better. And if you guys are in the same place as me and just feeling gross because of this disgusting weather, let me know. Let's suffer together. Misery loves company. Okay, bye.